Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today I'm going to put my Christmas cards together for you. So I'm just going to show you what I have been doing. I'm doing a really simple design this year, and I'm doing it with three different stamp sets. This is a white on white, just giving it a little bounce. This one stamp set that I'm using is, I am using the stamp set from, I believe this is the October Paper Pumpkin. I'm using Kindness Gnomes and Mistletoe Magic. I'm using a Real Red Shaded Spruce, and where's my Memento Black. To save some time, I have cut out some of the gnomes already, and I've cut out some of the gnomes from the paper to make it even quicker. And I'm using basic white cardstock. Then that's it. So I've already got most of my designs. I'm using, this comes from the Paper Pumpkin. This comes from the Mistletoe Magic. And this one that I'm going to start finishing comes from the gnomes. Okay. So first off, let's just put some of the gnome stuff on, and then we will, where's my gnome? Okay. I am just, oh, there it is. Just gonna, these you can cut out with the bundle with the dies. These are comes from the paper in that suite. Just fun, easy, quick cards. I've got a lot of cards to do and not a lot of time. Excuse me. I've got a cold. Okay, so I am going to use the stamp set from the Paper Pumpkin, and I'm just going to put Holly Jolly on the gnomes. And I'm going to do it in Real Red. I just got to take that little piece off right there. Oh, where'd the other ones go? I already got the Christmas blessings on there. I guess that's all I did was those two. Okay, so, oh, here's a couple more. I knew I did more than that. Okay, then what I'm going to do, and we all know that the red needs to dry a little bit longer than any of the other, oh yeah, see, that's why. I'm going to take my base cards, card base, 5.5 by 8.5, fold them in half, and I'm just going to start to assemble. So I am going to use some of my let's see, you can even make mistakes and use the other side. This is, now if you want to do a really fast one, just pull them all over. Do all of these at the same time and then just connect them. This is a good way to use up the last of your Stampin' Dimensionals. You can put them on with glue dots or with the Stampin' Seal too if you want. And just center it on that. And there you go. And you just keep right on trucking. Now, I have to get these all addressed and sent out to all of my friends and family. I do about 100, 150 a year. I used to do 300, but I just cannot get 300 in right now. So I had to, a couple years ago, I had to cut my holiday cards down. And let's put one on here so you can see all three of my designs. So which design, if you're going to get a Christmas card from me, which design would you like? I personally like the Santa. And there you go. The 3 designs for my Christmas cards this year. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Follow me on YouTube, and the information is down below. Bye-bye.